Monday. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Monday, June the 22nd. And as the days start getting shorter, the markets have reversed and rallied. And of course, last night they opened down fairly ugly as we thought they might. But again, once again, they've proved that there may still be some underneath buying, or maybe this is just some pretty bearish action. You choose. Actually, I'll choose in a minute. But in the meantime, again, we had the markets are down about 200. They're now up about 200, and they're kind of churning. But the action actually looks kind of bearish from a trading standpoint. Now, again, it doesn't matter. I'm not talking my position. I mean, we are short the Dow, S&P, and Russell, long the NASDAQ. So kind of neutral short. But at the end of the day, this action does not look very bullish, and I wouldn't be surprised to see the highs possibly in for the day already and slowly selling them off, maybe even accelerating the sell-off later in the day. But again, we'll see what happens from here. There's no real reason to get too excited. I think that you look at the bonds, and the bonds are soaring higher once again, and bonds and notes, and we're long both. But again, when you see this happening, that is not tremendously bullish for markets. Okay, so we'll see. Gold has spiked and now taken out that 1750 we're talking about in August. Now it actually pushed 1777. So again, we could be seeing some action that indicates there may be some pitfalls coming in here, and of course now gold has cleared its way to take out possibly the 1800, and again possibly get to new highs. Obviously, there's a few levels before we'll get to new highs, but gold and silver were still long, and they both had some pretty nice turnarounds. Platinum were still short, and that does look fairly ugly still, even with this morning's rally. Copper continues to pop. Natural gas is a little bit higher. Crude is at that $40 level again. It pushed up to about 40.20, 40.30 this morning. Now right back, just hovering around 40. I don't think it's going much further than this. We'll see. But again, we're long. But again, I'd be willing to sell if I wasn't. Okay. The dollar is getting smushed. Okay. Again, another sign that things may not be so hunky-dory. This is, of course, that's the Fed's plan. They want to keep the pressure on the dollar, and it looks like it's back. We did reverse this morning and bought dollars. They were down a little bit, but they're down more now than when we were able to step in and buy. But again, we'll see. Again, we don't react very quickly, to daily market action. Okay. One thing that is very concerning if you're watching is the volatility is way too high. It's not actually the VIX volatility. It is the options pricing is way too high right now. So we talk about options are always fairly priced unless they're expensive. Right now they're expensive. Okay. So it's hard when an at-the-money option should be one price and it's twice that price. So we'll see what happens from here. In the meantime, grains are kind of mixed. Corn's under some pressure. Beans are a little flat. And wheat is just turned positive after being lower. Now we're short wheat and long corn and beans. Again, this action does not bother me whatsoever. It's very quiet. It's very subdued. There's not much going on. The meats are lower across the board. Cattle and feeder cattle, live and feeder cattle, are both modestly weak. But again, we're still long. Now, those are getting closer to be potential changes. Hogs are still short, and they're still getting hammered. Okay, down big once again. And again, we'll see what happens. I mean, we're not going to change quickly. So, again, we've been short for quite a while, and it looks like, as it looks now, we'll be short for quite a while longer. Now, don't be surprised to see a big sharp bounce in hogs at one of the days this week. I would not be surprised to see a limit up move here coming because, again, you just can't keep selling into the hole. And of course, we've got the funds trying to push over, but the commercials are trying to get long. So I think the commercials will win that battle when it's all said and done. And we'll see where we go from there. I mean, again, I'm not going to make any predictions. You know what our positions are. And of course, don't forget about our great commodities report, which has been really spot on, written by Andy Hecht, who's now part of Bubba Trading. And of course, He is the #1 author for Seeking Alpha, plus at one time the largest silver trader in the world. Been worldwide trading physical commodities. You want to check it out? Go to BubbaTrading.com under Technomental. The report is $100 a month or $800 a year. Comes with weekly updates and a big quarterly coming out in July. So again, one of the best reports I've ever seen. And our brokerage partners, they're second to none. Okay, CTG for futures and commodities. They do a great job with all of our letter direction trading. I've got most of my accounts with them. And of course, they've got some great new products themselves that they'd like to share with you. So if you want to get their information, you can email me. And of course, the same goes for Tradier, who is phenomenal. And of course, their price makes it even better, which is $10 a month flat, no side charges, no 35 cents an option, $10. That's it. Get you in. And of course, we tie in with their API for our automated software. And of course, we're going to continue to grow in that version of automation. So I urge you to check out either one of those two. And that would be just email me at bubba@bubbatrading.com. I'll be happy to send you their information. And don't forget about our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. In the meantime, have a great day, everybody. Have a great trading day. And we'll see you back here tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update. In the meantime, take care, everybody. We'll see you later.